Okay, let's simplify this simple radical expression because it's very simple. And how I will always advise when you see this type of expression, you just start from the radicand inside the entire radicand. So let's start here. So you can see from here, this is square root, okay? So square root of 16 is what? 4, right? Square root of 16 equals 4. Simple. So this is now 4. So you now have cube root of 23 plus 4. So you now have cube root of 23 plus 4. And this will give you cube root of 27. Sorry, so the cube root is in here. So it's the index. So what is the cube root of 27? It's going to give you 3. Okay? So you now have 4th root. 4th root of 259 minus 3. And this is going to give you 4th root of what? 256. And what is the 4th root of 256? The 4th root of 256 is 4. Okay, so what do we have last? So we now have square root. Square root of 4 is going to give you 2. So everything here equals 2. Then out of, you do the same thing here. So what is the cube root of 64? Cube root of 64 is going to give you, sorry, this is index, please. Cube root of 64 is going to give you 4. And what do we have outside? So you now have 4th root. Square root of 4 is going to give you 2. So this is divided by 2. So here is 2. The numerator is 2. The denominator is 2. And 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So to simplify this entire thing, your answer is equals 1.